How to fix Minecraft failed to login invalid session problem. So if you want to fix your Minecraft fail to login invalid session problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up the start menu and then search for task manager. After searching, just click on it. And after opening a task manager, you need to select your Minecraft, select the task, right click on it, and then you'll find the option of end task. You need to go and end the task of your Minecraft. If the error still remains, then sign out of your account in the launcher and sign back in. If it still does not work, then you just need simply open your control panel. So search for control panel and then set view by to large. Then open the network and sharing center, which is right here. And then click on change adapter settings. And then right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select properties. Now under properties, you need to go with the Internet Protocol version 4 and go with properties. And here you need to enter the server address. Under here in the bottom, you'll need to select use the following DNS server address. And then you need to enter 8.8.8.8, and then on the alternate DNS server address you need to go with 8.8.4.4. After that, click on OK. Now at last you need to open up your command prompt, right click on it, and then go with run as administrator and click on yes, and type in ipconfig space / DNS. Then press the enter, then type in netsh space wintalk space reset and hit the enter and restart your computer. And that's basically how you can fix your Minecraft fail to login invalid session. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.